Assalamu alaikum, I'm Muhammad Rizwan. You are watching my second tutorial of Laravel development. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a models. In the last tutorial, we watched how to create a controllers, and here we go. You can see the controller has been created successfully along with the one function. Let's close it and try to create a model. Model basically a table in the database. In the Laravel, you can create a table by designing in the Laravel and you migrate that table into database. You don't need to create manually database tables, like, as you know, when you create manually the table in the database, you have to go in your database and you type here the table name and number of column which you need. There is no such type of stuff you need to do in the databases, and by using Laravel you can create it very perfectly through typing code. For this reason you have to create a model. For that we are going in our CMD command line. Let me zoom this by using magnifier so that you can visualize it better. Here is my command line. I'm typing here cd/sam/htdocs/YouTube project. Right? I'm in my YouTube project. Here I have to type here a command php artist model name mean your table name, as I'm creating here the blog website, so I'll give here the name blog table, right? And minus m, it's minus m indicate the migration, and let me tell you how to do a different stuff with migration after the creation of this model. Hit enter, and here you can see model created successfully along with the migration. And I'll minimize this magnification. Okay, and this close this. Here you can see the blog table.php file has been created, which is basically a model. Click here. Here you can see the model has been created successfully, mean your table which you are going to. Let's see what migration is. Open the database folder and migration. Here you can see when we create a fresh download a project, here is a one migration which is users, mean the user table, which is by default we get, and these are the attributes: primary key ID and name of type string, and email of type string, and unique is a credential and timestamp, and there are many more things. And another thing which we get in a fresh project, which is reset password table. And here is a migration, blog migration, which we created recently. So here you can see blog underscore table, which is your table name. Now by default we are given only one attribute, which is ID, which is the primary key of this table. Now we'll create different attributes which we need in the table by typing table. As I need the blog description or blog title attribute, and another attribute which I need string blog description. Okay, if you want to write something bigger and longer, then you can change this property to text. And there are many properties, like you can use here string, text, integer, and big integer, and many other things like which you do in your database by creating manually table. Okay, and another thing which you can do here, table and string and image. right? You can post some images along with title and description when you post in your blog website. Okay, and save it. Here we have done what we need to create a table. Here we have created one migration and the three attributes which we need in that table. And to migrate it, what we have to do here, you can see there is no table in the database. Now just you have to open your terminal again. Here you can see. For the migration of table into database, you have to give another command, php artisan make migration. Okay, hit enter. Not enough argument, missing name. Okay, sorry, it's not migration. You have to type only migrate, because we are not creating a migration. Basically, we are migrating the things in the database. Something incorrect, so he's giving us he's giving us suggestion which you want to type. I want to type migrate. So he said php artisan migrate. Only you have to type this, right? When you type here php artisan migrate, then it would successfully post all the table which you have in your migrations into database. Okay, let me check it by going into my database. Either the table has been successfully imported in the database or not. Here is my YouTube database. No table. Let me refresh it. And here you can see the blog table has been successfully created here. Just with the help of one command and click on blog table. Here you can see we created some attributes which we needed: blog title, blog description, and image, right? And created and updated are by default, which is created by timestamp. Okay, so this is how you can create your models and you can create your tables which you need in your database. It's very easy in Laravel by using this framework. Okay. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.